I think I'm definitely lost. Need to get the petrol and also something to eat in the day. I hope they have a daily. It's a beautiful day. So far it's good. It's not raining at least, and though it's very cold outside, but at least there's no rain. If there is no rain, it's fine in Ireland. On the right, sat nav brings you a bit down, but so it took me 2 hours to get here from Dublin. Let's check it out. Looks a good bit of forest here, and so there's a parking on that side. Never been here before, so it's the first time. Always keep your raincoat with you, because you never know about the weather. It's so unpredictable, especially in winter. My food I'm a bit short of water, I think, but it should be fine. All my life I traveled with friends, and I was always requesting them to travel with me, and for last many months, like around 4-6 months, I've been traveling most of the time alone, which is quite good actually, because you don't rely on other people. And so guys, I think I was heading towards the wrong direction, so let's go back down there and find the way. I have a roughly idea where the lake is. It's actually towards this direction, so let's find some way up there. I left Dublin in the dark, and I always have a problem, like when I have to go somewhere. The last night I cannot sleep well. It's from sun. It looks beautiful actually from the trees, through the trees. There's water. So there is a right turn here. I hope it's the right one. They say take a right and you're always right. So let's try that. So this road brought me here, and from this way. Let's see now. Should I go straight or right? I think should take a right here. And yep. Water. Not sure which way to go. Couple of sheeps. So there's a lot of water in the grass actually. So you have to have good boots for hiking in Ireland especially. And if you could have waterproof socks, that's great then. You can see these wires. So I have to find a way. I'm definitely lost. I can hear sound of water. Yeah, there you go. I'm a bit hungry. Look at the plate. So beautiful. I think probably I chose the wrong way from down, so should go back there. Few sheeps. Look at the view down. Still, I think, long way ahead. Got windy as well and a little chilly again. But while you're walking, you know, you don't feel cold. You can see behind me is the mountain up there, and there's a sea back there. Not sure whether you guys can see or not. I think just the last, this little mountain left. Hopefully behind that it got very windy, and you never know, it could rain as well. But I brought my raincoat. I'm not sure whether you guys can hear or not. It's very windy. Heavy wind. Now it stops. So just a bit of left. It's my first time actually, I didn't know. So I just climbed straight up, kind of. And but there's a loop walk, and so need to find that track on the way back. I think I'm close enough. Let's see behind this looks like that there is a lake, hopefully. No guys, horrible wind. There's no lake here, so it could be behind this mountain. Well, let's try. Not giving up. Actually, the problem is it's very difficult to walk in these bushes. There's a lot of water most of the places, and you never know. I hope it doesn't rain until I get to the track. Earlier was a very, very beautiful morning, but later now just the wind is horrible, and all of a sudden it stops and then it starts blowing again. These Samsung batteries are horrible. Well, very disappointing end to the vlog. These batteries are actually horrible in the cold weather. I had a 50% battery, and all of a sudden just it dropped and it got flat just because of the cold. It was very cold up. I could see the track from the top of the mountain, and believe me, it was a great place, great spot for drone footage. Unfortunately, just couldn't do that. But I'll make another vlog on this lake, a proper from other side, like, you know, where the track is very easy actually to walk.